Hi, welcome back to my channel. I hope you will have enjoyed this video. It is a half horsepower water pump motor. But it's broken, the coil is burnt. But its water lifting section or impeller part is good. Today I will try to make a water pump in another way using its water lifting section or impeller. Let's begin. Carefully remove all part. I will not need this cooling fan. Unscrewing the 3 bolts of the impeller part that is connected to the neutral of the motor body. As this part is jammed, I applied some kerosene oil. Trying to open it with a light blow. Be careful. It is made of cast iron, can break if hit hard. It is possible to open the impeller section, so I am taking off the rotor along with the shaft. I will not need the body anymore, so I cancelled it. The impeller inside is good and rotates when the shaft rotates. Finally, I was able to separate the impeller part. It's brass impeller. It is fixed along the middle and has many blades on both sides. The shaft is pulled out by lightly hitting the lock. I cut the shaft out of the rotor and attached a 3-hole plate. Attached the bearing. I put the shaft in the impeller section. I installed the required water seal. After installing the water seal, I locked the shaft. Now put the lock key on the shaft to lock the impeller and put the impeller. In the video, the impeller was mistakenly installed upside down. The impeller is installed correctly by skipping the video. Now put the rubber seal on the impeller head and fix the cover. I put 3 bolts under normal pressure. I made 4 clamps to set the impeller head and motor together. It's a blinder motor. I unscrewed the motor and placed it on a flat piece of wood with the impeller head and motor attached alternately with clamps. I drilled 3 holes in the out fan of the blinder chopper. I set the 3 belts made by cutting tires in 3 holes in the out fan of the blinder chopper and put them back on the blinder shaft. Then I reattached the 3 belts to the spherical plate on the head of the impeller shaft. Now my water pump is ready. Now I connect the water pump to the water source. Now I started the pump. I am trying hard to raise the water. Yay yay! Smoke coming out of blinder motor. The motor stopped. But in no way could the water be removed from the impeller head. I could not succeed today. Please let me know in the comments section why it is not possible to lift the water. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to press like button and share to your friends, and you can tell me more about it by comment. Stay tuned by subscribing to my channel and press the bell button to get the next video.